Yo, this man has troubles.
Yo, I'm gonna start by saying, listen, man. Working with a Jamaican person must be the most frustrating thing in the world. I swear to God. Listen, no hate, nothing. I'm just telling you, it's frustrating, bro. Me, I get yelled at every day.
Up to this point, a million frustrating things came to my head.
And listen, I'm a firm believer that if I do something wrong or I'm completely just out of line, it's okay to yell at me. I understand. I hold accountability for my mistakes, man. But the stuff I'm getting yelled at for, there's no reason. There is no reason. So I do home renovations and shit like that, man. There's tons of stuff we need constantly. Me, I like giving a helping hand. This guy's working under the sink. I have no problem running to grab you a tool, bro. This guy, though, I don't know what it is about Jamaicans or whoever, these Caribbean people, they'll ask for something, but they do not elaborate, and they just want me to fill in the blanks, bro.
As soon as he said that, I knew we were up for something.
Like, how am I supposed to know what you're doing under there, what you need? How are you gonna look at me and say, yo, white boy, go grab that ting, man? The what? Go grab the ting. I don't know what he's talking about, but he's pointing in the direction of like screwdrivers and shit. So I just go, I test my luck, bro. Go grab a screwdriver. I'm not even looking what kind of fitting it is at the end because I don't even know what he's saying. He just say, yo, go grab the ting. I bring it to him. He literally pulls his head out of under the sink, looks at me and says, is this what me I send you for? I said,
yo, this man is living out his Jamaican childhood as an adult.
What? Is this what me I send you for? He's yelling, bro. I don't even get it. You didn't send me for anything in specific. You just said, go get me that ting, bro. It could have been anything. I swear to God, it could have been your shoe. It could have been your jacket. It could have been a drill. It could be anything. Why are you yelling right now, bro? You just got to elaborate. You got to get more in detail because it's stressing me out, man.
As a skilled person, if he's working under the sink, you should know what he needs while he's working under the sink, bro. That's how it's supposed to go. And we learned that growing up as kids.
I feel like I'm not doing my job or I'm like slow or something. Go grab me I have to grab me that ting, bruv. I said, what? And as soon as anything gets moderately frustrating, this guy's taking a break, bro. No, I'll be back. I go to my car and you can tell he's just lighting. He's just smoking, bro. I said, yo, listen, we got to finish this. Yeah. Time waits for no man. He just wants to relax, bro. And I'm just getting I'm getting bullied, to be honest. Bullied.
You're not being bullied. It's just a tough way we deal with things. It's just a tough way Caribbean people address things and deal with things. If you are in a situation and you don't know which tool to get them on, then maybe you shouldn't be in the situation. And you're just not getting bullied. As soon as people express themselves to people these days, they're being bullied. And to be honest, you're getting let off easy. What if he told you to just get the thing on ropes wraps and do so till me forward? I don't know what you would do, but to make matters even worse, it's not just Jamaicans. I think it's a Caribbean thing. So get ready. Be prepared. You know what it is. Thanks for watching. Drop your perspective. Drop your comments. You know we talk about everything in the comments. Be blessed. Subscribe. Respect.